So this is the entryway, and yeah, if you're new here, subscribe, join the family, join the gang, whatever we want to call ourselves. But this is the living room area. I really don't know why I'm doing this video late, but I thought of it, so I said to myself, why not just do it? So, anyways, this is a living room area. It's pretty big. Nothing's up. I do have few things that are like everywhere, but this is it. This is the space, and here I am. Little shadow on the wall there. So, okay, yeah, living room area, and then you get to the dining. The dining is one of my favorites so far because I have furniture there. Anything that's not my favorite right now is because it's either not complete or yeah. But anyways, yeah, this is the dining. I want to change this light right here. I don't know what's in my nail, but anyways, that's not important. I want to change this light right here to something different. I don't know. What do you guys think? I like it. Maybe I will just keep it and change the bulb to like LED or something just to make it brighter, because why not? Right? And then, sorry, that sound was the AC coming on. Right here is like my internet area, connection plug area. I'm gonna put a little table right there just so that's not sitting on the floor. But like I said, it's a work in progress. So this is the whole living room, and that is that noisy fan AC thing right there. Yeah, that's just my backpack. My work backpack just sitting there. And then you come here, you walk into my kitchen. I don't really have much right now. Have the little microwave, very tiny. The only reason, honestly, I bought this microwave is because it's white. I'm so tired, and so I don't want to say tired. I'm just over the typical black or silver microwaves. So I decided to go white because, as you notice, most of the things in here are white, and I just wanted to keep my kitchen white. If I could get a white oven, I would. But for now, yeah, as you can see, I still have some. I need to take some of those. I need to take that tape off, take those other tape off. It's a new oven. So, or yeah, it's a new stove. I need to take off the tape right there. I can't talk right now. I'm really tired. It's been a day. So, yeah, so this is the kitchen. That's the door leading to, wow. The door leading leading to the balcony. I can't talk. This is the door leading to the balcony. I don't know why it's in the kitchen. Don't ask me, but it works out. So great. And then this is just dishes. That's just dishes up there. And then I have the little, I still need to decide what I want to put in these. I might just put cereal in there. I don't know yet. Find some kind of healthy cereal and put it in there. And then just this bowl right here, which I, speaking of, actually need to put away. Yeah. So I just, under there is just that bowl. I have this, like if you want to make like a spiral zucchini and things like that over there. And I have a juicer and something else under there. And now that's the dish rack. I got this little rug thing, but it's like elevated, so it gives you a little height, because as you all know, or not as you all know, but some of you that know me, as you know, I'm short, so I like a little bit of height. So yeah, so far. And then this is my fridge, washer and dryer, and yeah, it's not really much to that room. I'm just gonna close that. Maybe I should turn the light off first. But yeah, and then we go through here. I don't know why that's not coming on. Oh, there it is. And then, yeah, this is, I'm gonna turn this into a guest room, bathroom-ish thingy. So yeah, this is my guest bathroom. Hello guys, what up? And then, yeah, it's not really much to it. I just have a little thing so far, but just the rug and garbage can, little toothbrush area, so my guests can feel welcomed, you know. With that being said, let's head on to the next. And then this is just a little closet area. I'm gonna store some extra towels and other things in here. Yeah. And then, don't mind this room, but this would be like my guest room. I don't know if I want to make this my guest room yet, or I think I actually just might decorate this room and turn it into like my YouTube room. So I have my recording things so far. This table would stay in here, or nightstand or whatever. And then this is some things that I bought for my YouTube channel that just came not too long ago. And then what's the word? My ring light, the bottom of my ring light, and my ring light is over there somewhere. Moving, y'all, like. And I just stored my extra shoes in this closet because if you're a female, you understand. So I didn't have enough room in my closet. And then this is the room. So far, I only have that, my bed frame, the chest drawer, excuse me, the dresser, and then a bunch of comforters and little things everywhere. And then this is my bathroom. What up, guys? There's really nothing to it. Hi guys, welcome back. So today, gang? Do I need it? I'll just wait to get that one later, right? Because I'm already doing laundry right now. Okay, so, but I am back so this vlog is just gonna be of, you know, me and my moving process. Right now I just came to get some of the essentials that I need. We need the vacuum. Where's Grace? Oh, okay. We'll be back in. Yeah, okay. Let's go this way then. But essentials that I need, and I have my two best buddies. Say hi, matching on the hair. And then there's Grizzly Boo. Hi, Annie. But anyways, yeah, like I said, we're gonna get essentials needed for, yeah. I will show you guys when we get to the place. So guys, this is the groceries. They're now inside. And those over there. But yeah, so wish me luck as I try to organize all of these. And yeah, I'm already tired. Like, you guys have no idea. It's been a day, but you know what? I'm grateful and I'm happy. So wish me luck as I put all of this together. Bye, guys. We're still trying to figure out, so when certain things will come in and things like that. And with everything going on, shipments are kind of slow, and I don't want to buy things from the store because it's going to be hard to have to carry furnitures and carry other things. I still need a living room chair and other things like that, so we're still We're still taking our time, so I mean, not rushing anything because I want this place to be very, very, very nice. Hey guys, so welcome back. Few hours later, I I guess I would just end this here tonight. I'm very, very tired, very exhausted. But I have work tomorrow, so I'm gonna sleep now and I will see you guys. Hey,